Hello, thank you for choosing Lifeline Voice and Data as your new phone service provider. This is an overview of the Yealink CP965 conference phone. It has a touchscreen, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. This one is powered by a PoE. If you plan on using Wi-Fi, make sure it is placed within range of your Wi-Fi access point. Take a look at the top of your conference phone. Here you have your 12 built-in microphones and speakerphone. You have 2 mute buttons. At the bottom, you have the volume buttons. This is the return button. This is a touch screen, and you can see that you have your history button, which shows all placed, received, and missed calls, a call button that takes you to your keypad, the directory button, which shows all your contacts if that is set up for you. You can easily add your own contacts here by pressing the plus symbol. This is your Bluetooth button. Pressing this allows you to search for any available devices. Now look at the bottom of the touchscreen. On the left, you have your DSS key, where you will find your park buttons, call buttons, and various cues and extensions. Press the page numbers to see each available screen. You can press the X or the return button to return to the main screen. On the right side, you will see the More button. Here you have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Mute, D&D, which is Do Not Disturb, and Auto Answer. Along the bottom, you see Status, where you can find out general information about your phone, such as the IP address and MAC address, Features, Message, which is the voicemail if that is set up on your phone. Basic is where you can go to change the time and date, the display, the sound, and other options. Advanced is something that only your IT person should probably go to. And then lastly, the Record button. You can plug in your USB and record the call and take it with you. On the bottom is where you would find that USB port. This little door is where the Cat5 cable will connect and remain protected. You can add a screw here if you wish, but it isn't necessary. There are a couple of ways to begin your conference calls. Perhaps the easiest way is to use a conference bridge. You will be assigned a conference bridge, and callers can dial into that bridge. For example, if your assigned bridge is 150, internal users can dial 150 to be entered into the conference calls. Outside callers can dial 150 when the IVR begins. Another way to add callers into a conference call is to dial them directly. You can continue to invite new members to the conference by pressing the Invite button and dial the number or extension. Members can be placed on hold as you invite new members. Members on hold will hear on-hold music while they wait. We at Lifeline Voice and Data can personalize your on-hold music. This is a good place to advertise products and services you offer. If you have any questions or concerns about your new phone and/or phone service, please call our office at 731-588-4200. Thank you again for choosing Lifeline Voice and Data as your new phone provider.
For your business, we don't just provide a phone line, we provide a lifeline. Lifeline Voice and Data.